Hello guys, I'm Ridolf and I welcome you to my second Java tutorial. Now in this video, we are going to start learning some Java codes as I promised in the last tutorial. Okay, so before we begin with our codes, what we need to do is we need to start a project. For us to do that, we need to go over here and click on our file and new Java project or project, any of them. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to give our project a name. So what the name I'm going to give to my project is, I'm going to give the project my own name, and I'll call it Ridolf. And after that, I'm going to click on finish over here. I'm going to leave everything here in default, so I'll click on finish. Okay, so now my project is here, and what I need to do next is I need to create a class. Since in Java we can't do anything without a class, at least we should have one class that we are going to work with. So I will double click on this, and I'm going to see two things over here: SRC JRE system library. So I'm going to right click on the SRC, which is the source, and I'm going to new, and I will create my class over here. So I'll click on the class and I will give it a name, and I'm going to call my class my class. Okay, so after that I will click on finish. Okay, so now after clicking on finish, you see some codes has been given already: package, Ridolf, public class, and my class over here. And I'm going to explain all this so that we can understand better. This package Ridolf that we see over here is the whole project. Okay, the Ridolf, as we did some minutes ago, is the name of our project over here, and this is the name of our class, which is my class. And before we create any class in Java, we need to tell the compiler that we are creating a class by typing in public class, then it follows with the name of the class. Also, we can only type in class and the name of the class, and that will work. So let me try deleting public, and still that is going to work for us. But since it was brought by default, I'm going to allow that. Now the class over here is a keyword in Java. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my and see whether it's going to allow me to name my class. Okay, so as you can see, this has been underlined because it's a keyword that is used in Java, and therefore you can't use that as a name for your class. Okay, so I'm going to undo that and stick to my class. Now what we want to do is we want to print something on the screen which will say, hello, my name is Java. Therefore what we need to do is we need to go inside the body of the class that we've created over here, and we are going to type in a command like public static void main, and we are going to open our bracket, and we are going to say string args, and we are going to open a curly braces, and we will close that. Okay, so now we can output something. And in Java, if you want to output something, what we do is you type in system.out.println. I'll open my brackets and I'll bring some code since I'm outputting some statement on the screen, and I'll say, hello, my name is Java. Okay, so I will close that with a semicolon, and yes, I'm good to go. So now you can see as I typed in this, when I look up here, I will see this asterisk over here marking my class. Okay, now what that means is my codes have not been saved in the compiler, so I will hit Ctrl S to save the code, and now you can see it's no more there. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to run or execute this code and see whether it's correct or not. So I'm going to run this code, and how will I do that? I will click on this play button over here and my code will run. Okay, so it's saying down here, hello, my name is Java. Assuming we have a lot of codes being written over here, we are going to find it very difficult to read them one after the other. Okay, so now what we can do is we can show numbers in this compiler so that we can read them easily according to the number. So to do that, we will click on our window and we take the last option over here, preferences. Okay, so now that preferences is being open, we are going to double click on this general editors, double click on editors, double click on text editors, and now we can show our line numbers. I'll click on OK, and as you can see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 over here. So now we can easily identify a line with its number. Also, when we make errors, we can easily sort that out. Alright, that is it for this tutorial printing hello, my name is Java, and in the next tutorial is going to be real fun. Bye.